This tutorial review will show you how to create custom commands in Discord. To create custom commands, we have to add the MEE6 bot to our Discord server. So open your browser and open the MEE6 XYZ. And once you're here, click on Add to Discord. And select the server where you want to add the MEE6 bot. And ensure that you're a human. And make sure the MEE6 bot added to your server. Now go to the MEE6 Bot Dashboard, and here you will find the custom commands option. So click on it and activate the custom commands. And it's time to create a custom command. So click on New Custom Command, and here give the command name. I'm using exclamation mark, and right now I'll create a custom command for my social media. So I'm gonna giving the name here, exclamation mark social, and here I'm gonna selecting bot sends message in a predefined channel, and click on channel and select the channel where you want to create a custom command. So I'm gonna selecting general channel and write here your message. And click on add embed and give your title Facebook, and I'm going to giving my Facebook profile URL here, and I'm clicking on upload thumbnail image and selecting Facebook icon. And now you can add image here. So I'm going to uploading a dummy photo here, maybe this one. And now click on save and close. You can go to the advanced options and permissions section to customize your commands, and then click on save and close. So here we can see the custom command has been successfully created, and it's time to check the command. So I'm going to opening my server and selecting the channel where I created a command, and simply tapping this command exclamation mark social, and here we can see the command is working properly. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.